Okay, and I'm looking at it, and I'm going to do elimination. The way it looks, kind of looks really simple, dude. And I'm going to say simple. I'm not saying it is simple. I'm just saying it looks simple. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the top equation by n and the bottom equation by minus m. And what would you get? nm over x minus a plus n squared over y plus b equals n. Don't be discouraged. And this is going to be minus nm over x minus a minus m squared over y plus b equals minus m. And then I'm going to add these two equations together, and lo and behold, the first term disappears. There might be trouble, but I'm saying, I'm not worried about the trouble right now. And what do you get? N squared minus m squared, and that's going to be y plus b equals n minus m. I'm going to continue to work on that. And what I notice here, the top is factorable, n minus m, n plus m, y plus b equals n minus m. I'm going to divide both sides by n minus n. Provided that m does not equal m, I can do that. And what do you get? You get n plus m equals y plus b. And now I know what y is. And what's y? Y is n plus m minus b. All right? I want to go over here and point this out to you. I do see that answer there. Your goal is to work towards that answer. N plus m minus b. All right? Now, someone says they write in a different order. I guess if I were to really write that properly down, it should be written in order because it's alphabetical order. Minus b plus m plus n. All right? So I feel pretty good about that. And someone can say, I wonder if that's the right answer. I haven't even checked it yet. But what I want to do is I want to find out what x is. So I'm going to say I'm pretty comfortable about this y business. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase. We're kind of just doing a little bit of homework here. Practice, practice, practice. When you get to exams, you're much better at it. Erase this over here, and I'm gonna pop it in and see what I come up with. And so, where would you pop it in? Anywhere you like. I'm going to pop it into the first equation. What do you get? M x minus a plus n. And what would you get there if I did that? You get n plus n. And that equals 1. I'm going to keep going forward. M x minus a equals, well, I got to subtract this from both sides, right? So what's that going to be? Let's take a look. If I did that, it would be 1 minus n over n plus n. So I'd get m plus n minus n. I'm sorry, maybe I misspoke. So I'm going to erase this. It's 1 minus n over m plus n. So you'd get m plus n minus n. That cancels off, right? So you get m over m plus n. That might little side work, all right? I'm going to divide both sides by m. The m can't be 0 if that's the case, by the way. And so I'm going to just do this. And what do you get? You would get x minus a equals m plus n. What's x? A plus m plus n. Did I get that? It's right over here. Now, granted, you may say, I want to check it, and you could. We're not saying you can't check it. I feel pretty comfortable about this one over here. I really don't see any problems, all right? Now, by the way, when I say I don't see any problems, there are problems when letters A and M could be certain things, particularly if they produce a 0 divisor, all right? So like if A, M, and N were all zeros, I'd have trouble, right? You get the idea? You have troubles on the bottom of both of those. But I feel pretty comfortable about this, all right? But again, you can check it. Don't mind it. You can check it if you want, all right? Again, I think some students may want to reach out to me. And by the way, don't think for a moment that what I say about the method I'm using is the method you're using. I'm just saying the end is going to be the truth for everyone. Not going to change. Our investigations lead to the same thing each time. Thank you for paying attention.